In this video, I am going to show you how you can start SMS outreaching without spending a penny here. So let me admit, cold outreaching a little bit advanced and you need to spend a lot of the things like you have to buy the domains, you have to just configure the emails, you have to just add the all the things so your email start landing on the inbox. But in the SMS outreaching, all of this doesn't matter here. So in this video, this is the tool I am using right now. So this is the TextLink, and here I have just tested out this tool, and let me tell you why this tool doesn't going to cost you any penny. So basically it is going to add your own Android device with the sim inserted, and all you have to just install it's a Android app in your mobile device, and after that it is going to configure all these sims. Okay, so for example, in this device I have just two sims. Okay, and after that it is just configured and start showing up here. So I am now get starting the testing out the tool here. For example, you can see I have tested out this tool with the so many messages here, and I am just amused because it is using my sim capabilities to sending the SMS here, and I am getting the results really amazing here. So in this video I will show you how to do that step by step in the tutorial part, but first let me give you the overview. So this is the test link right now available on the app Sumo with the lifetime deal and starting from the just $39. So even if you are going to read out this deal page, you can check it out. Send SMS from your own Android device and SIM card without breaking the bank. Yes, it doesn't need any extra money or the subscription charges to send out the messages. It also gives you the API access and no code. Okay, after just connecting your device you can start sending out the messages, and there's also the warm up feature available, so you can just, and there's also this SMS warm up feature available that lets you warm up your SIM cards for sending out the SMSs, and this lets you to secure your outreaching source here. Okay, so let me go to the deal page again, and this is the alternative to the Twilio, but you don't have to pay the for any every message cost. Okay, and let me go till the end, and here you can see we have the multiple plans available, and every plan have a label with the limit of the how many devices you can connect, and every plan has the unlimited messages you can set. There also the warm up feature available, and there's also the web chat SMS and no bulk SMS, no code bulk SMS feature. Okay, so if you want to check it out this tool, what I suggest, go at least with the tier 3 plan, because here we have the 10 devices capabilities and we have also the warm up feature enabled in this plan here. So if you want to check it out the deal, I have just pasted the link in the description of this video and in the comment section. So once you got the link, this is the deal tool platform here, and here we are going to first connect our device. So to connecting the device, we have to just go to the devices and setup, and on the main screen you can just click here on the setup your device here. So after setting up, it will just ask you to either go to this link here or you have to just scan this your QR code here. So let me show you out how I have just installed this app on my device here, and just let me show you how this looks like. So this is the app you have to install, and okay, let me just close this one, and this is how the panel will look like on the dashboard. Okay, so this is all done here. So once you have connected, it is going to show up your devices connected here on the main screen. Now we are going to testing out whether is actually the going to send the messages or not. So I have another phone here, and I'm going to use this one to send me a message here. So let me just open up the phone lock. Okay, and I will go to the SMS section. Okay, so this is the SMS section, and you can see right now I doesn't have any new message, so I'm going to send out the message here. Okay, so first let me got the this mobile number here, and I am little but not that much of the powerful memory here. Okay, so I'm going to get the number of from my this device, and I'm going to paste it here, and I have added my number here. I am hiding it for the privacy, and now I'm going to just send out the message. So let me type, this is test message with code 5462. Okay, so I am adding this code so you can check it out. Now I am going to select the SMS SIM card. Okay, so from which device or the SIM card I want to send out this message. So I am selecting this one here, and after that simply I have to just click here on the send message. Now let me check out. Okay, my message is sent, and see if I am going to get it or not. Yeah, I am get it here, and you can see this is the message I got here. So let me show you out. Okay, I don't know if you are going to check it or not. Let me focus it. you can see here. Okay, so this is how this tool work out, really amazing here. And in the front of you I have showed you how this works out. So now let me show you what are the extra features you can see. First of all, it has the chat app option available that is going to show you all the numbers you have just sent out the messages. Basically this is the unified inbox where you can check it out the messages, and if you have got the replies you can reply back and manage them here. Okay, and from this is the section you can also create the groups that later on you can just send out the outreaching messages. Then this is the no code SMS outreach section where we are going to start creating the campaigns. So this is going to give you some of the information that you can just start understanding, and after that we are going to click here on the create campaign. And first of all, it's going to ask you to add the recipients, then the edit message, setup, and the final review. So in the fourth step your campaign will be the launched here. Okay, then with this is the SMS warm up feature available where you are going to just enable the warm up feature for any of the SIMs card, so your messages every time go to there directly in the phone, not in the spam here. So SMS warm up is really important for any kind of the outreaching. There's the warm up feature that is really important here. Okay, now we have the API and the hook. So with this we can just automate all this stuff in our inbuilt platform as well, because we have the direct API access available. Okay, we have the SMS API, we have the verification. Yes, we can even set up this platform for sending out the verification messages, the transaction messages, and even the your OTP kind of the authentication messages as well. It has also the GoHighLevel integration available. Okay, and we have the devices and the setup option that I have already talked about. There's the tutorial part available. Simply watch this video, it will explain how you are going to install their Android app in your mobile device, and after that your SIMs card is going to be automatically configured in this platform. So the platform is really good here, because the I have tested out with the so many numbers and I got the 100% result that this tool is going to send out the messages for you. Even I haven't warm up my SIM cards as well. Okay, so the platform is really good. So right now this tool is available on the $39, and if you want to let me cover the more advanced videos in this tool, just let me know in the comments. I'm going to just get the leads in the mobile numbers. Okay, and after that I'm going to create a SMS outreaching campaign, and if you want to just cover me with the detailed results, just let me know in the comments. I will just create a video on that as well. So that's all for today's video. This is just an introductory overview video on this tool. Just I want to just talk about this tool, what is the capabilities, and it's really good platform here. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe the channel to stay updated and all these kind of the videos. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one. If you want to check it out this tool, link is given in the description.